Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford F-150. I'm talking F-150 between year 2009 and year 2014. If you need to find the fuse for the AC clutch guys, stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located. You may have up to 2 fuses that you need to check. We'll talk why it's super important to test fuses and where you can buy cheap fuses from. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So specifically guys, we're going to demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year F-150, that generation, the video may be helpful. We're going to open the fuse box that's located under the hood in the engine bay, right above the radiator. When you open it guys, your fuse box will look like that. That's your relays with black. This is fuses. You have different kinds of fuses. Now if you need to buy these fuses at a good price and quick shipping guys, because at the parts store they can be really expensive, we'll share the link in the description of the video below. You can see where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's explain why it's super important first to test fuses, how to do that, relays as well, and we'll continue. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So which fuse guys we need to check for the AC clutch? If you come in that row right here, you can see, and we're going to talk first about fuse number F30. So from the left side, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, that 10 fuse right here guys, that's for the AC clutch that you need to check. This fuse here, one of them. You have one more, okay, that you need to check, and I'm talking guys about fuse number F77. You will be in that fuse row right here, and that will be 1 2 3. That's another 10 fuse that you need to check. If you guys want to see, okay, how to repair AC, how to replace AC clutch, and why AC does not work guys, we have more videos about that on our YouTube channels, other YouTube channels. Check them out if you need more help with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.